Hello guys, this is Sean once again signing in YouTube, and it's been a while since I made my last YouTube video. Today is February February 6, 2012, and let's do some tutorial. The title of my tutorial is this: Uno mas tutorial NSB Master B2. Okay, it's paid tools, crack tools. Actually, it's a paid tools. Okay. So let's start. First, you must put in the necessary ID, the password, necessary room. Then log it in. Log in, and as you can see, I'm already logged in. Then join the room. As you can see, I've already joined the room here. And then this is the PC panel, login panel. This is the PC panel. Okay. ID, password, room. Now, once you go in the room, you may adjust the BC panel, BC7 here. Okay, 50-50 log out. Once you in the room, you must click login BC here. Click that. Okay, here as you can see, I do have a BC. You may cross Y crash room. Welcome you user. This is a room booter panel. Every YM user that will join the room will be Y crash here. And if you want to welcome your user who joins the room here, I will welcome the user who joins the room. Let's go into the BC panel. As you can see, I do have a BC, and someone's stepping the BC. If you want to ignore someone who's stepping the BC, just click on ignore users that talk, and it will be ignored. As you can see, there are two BC users in the room. If you want to talk in the room, you may click in masters, keep silent, real time lag. I will click in real time lag. 1223, 1 of 23. So NSP master is working great, and I do hope you do like my new tutorial for today. It's been a while since I made my last YouTube tutorial, and if you want to stop this, just click on stop, click on keep silent, and if you want to click on masters here, you want to click on silent. You see 1 of 23 here, to the time log here. And so NSP Master B2 is working great. Tutorial is good. So bye guys. Uno mas signing out.